I'm Candy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when my videos pop up. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I got to start remembering to say that in my videos. I'm trying to grow my channel. And today, or this evening, should I say, I'm opening my Slay Glam. I'm not worried about the address. I guess some people get nervous about that. I was at first, but I don't think too many people that's on my channel live in Daytona Beach, and if they want to come by and do any badness, I think they would regret that. But at any rate, we're going to get into this box. Slay Glam is, I believe, $24 or $25 a month. It is a smaller company, so the subscription does come towards the latter part of the month. They have a new thing where you can pay for expedited shipping and get it sooner. And a couple people that I watch did that, and they did get theirs sooner. So I'm thinking moving forward, I might sign up for that to see if I could get mine a little bit sooner. Which I don't mind, because towards the end of the month, we don't really have nothing coming in. So this gives me something, you know, to unbox when I'm not getting anything else. She comes like this, and a lot of people complain about the packaging. I personally do not care about the packaging. I prefer decent products, good quality products, and as long as my products aren't broken, I don't care what it comes in, because I'm going to throw it away anyways. I do save these. I take these off because I do crafting. Haven't had a lot of time for that lately, but I save them at any rate. Let's see if we got a card in here. I'm not seeing one right off the bat. This is pretty packed. I don't see a card, but there's got to be a card in here because she always puts one. But I'm just going to pull out the first product. Maybe I don't have a card. Oh, I do have a card. Let me grab that out. Okay. Card looks like this, and it says Slay Glam. Thank you for subscribing. And then on the other side, it lists the products and the retail price. A lot of people also try to compare this to BoxyCharm and Ipsy, and being a newer, smaller company, that's just not fair. And honestly, for the price, I don't know, any place, any store that you could go to with $25 and pick these products, go to the register and pay for them and have it cost you $25. It will cost more, period. Even if you go to TJ Maxx or, you know, the stores that you can get the discounted stuff. For $25, you are not going to get much. So I think each month what she sends us, I've enjoyed it. I like that we get different stuff. I like that instead of black mascara, we're getting blue mascara. You know, different colored stuff. That is what I like. Different things that I haven't tried. Different brands I haven't tried. That is what I like about this subscription. So, without further ado, sorry about my rambling, but I've seen a lot of comments, and some people are being kind of harsh on her, and I think for what she sends, it's a great subscription. That's just my opinion, though. First thing I pulled out is by Kaylin Cosmetics. And this is Blender Face. Makeup Master Blender. It's a big old thingamajigger there. Makeup. This retails for $25. The Makeup Master for all your beauty application needs. Oh, it's a 7-piece of detachable non-latex sponges. Okay, it's a 7-piece set. And they break off. Well, if I pull them all out, they're all going to break off. No, there we go. It's a 7-piece. Oh, they're squishy. I like that. And you peel one off, because I'll use them at some point. Little triangle. I think you get these wet too, like you do with the other blender thing that looks like an egg-shaped thingamajigger. That's cool. They're nice and soft. Excited to try that. And we get 7 of them. Can't beat that. The next item I am pulling out of my bag/box is wrapped in bubble wrap. Pull out my handy dandy knife because it's taped up. Ooh, okay. This looks like an eyeshadow palette. J-Cat Beauty Fab 5 eyeshadow palette. And those are pretty colors. I'll try to make it to where the glare doesn't shine on. And there's more tape there. Gotta love the tape, I guess. I don't, not really, because it makes it harder to open. And my nails that were growing so nicely, they're all breaking. So I don't have the nails I used to have. Cleaning has really messed my nails up. And I won't get fake nails because they file your nail down so darn thin. They put the fake nail on, they put the acrylic and stuff like that. And sure, your nail does grow. And you can say, yeah, it's my real nails underneath. But when you get that stuff off, your nail bed is so messed up. It's really not good. It's better to just let your nails grow naturally. So what if it breaks? It grows back. That's just my opinion. Save some money. Save your nails. Just be natural with the nails. That's just my opinion. These are the colors. Those are pretty. It doesn't, and it has a little brush thingy here. Doesn't say the name of the colors, but that is cute. I'll put it back in its little thingamajigger. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is Rasha B Cosmetics Lip Liner Set. Now, this is a whole set, not just one liner that they say is a full-size product. She gets the whole thing. And I do believe Rasha B Cosmetics is her actual line. Not only does she do the subscription, she also has a makeup line. And on the card, it says, try our new lash box. Get 5 pairs of luxury lashes for $15 a month. Free USA shipping. And if you use code ISLAY, EYESLAY, capital letters, you get 10% off. If you're a lash girl, there you go. I still gotta learn how to put them things on. So, we get 3 lip liners. Come on out of there. And I believe the colors are, they're going to be what the stickers are. This one is cranberry. This one is natural. And this one is nude. Ooh. Nice and creamy, though. They feel nice and creamy on my hand. That is nude. That's got like a pinkish to it. I like that. This one right here is the natural. I like that. I like pinkish toned stuff. And this, ooh, nice, is cranberry. Definitely cranberry colored. And they feel very creamy. I'm excited about that. 3 lip liners. That's what she considers full size. So excited about that. Because with my wrinkles, I'm a smoker and I drink from a straw. I drink from a small. What a dumbass. I'm sorry. I smoke cigarettes and I drink from a straw. So I have a lot of fine lines. And I have been told if I use a lip liner, it will help the lipstick stop riding up and getting into my lines. Ooh. Oh, I didn't tell you how much the lip liners retail for. They retail for $19. Wow, that is very reasonable for a 3-piece set. The next item is Spoiled Lips. Liquid lipstick. Nice, pretty packaging. Oh, wow. It's a lips set. Holy crap. Lipstick set for $25. Wow. Okay. Go Rasha B Cosmetics. Although this is not Rasha B, but if her name is Rasha, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. She did really good this month. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different lip colors. Wow. I'm going to pull one out to try it. How cool is that? This one's called Sweet Pea. It looks like that. Open her up. Little doe-foot applicator. Smells like a little perfumey smell. Don't smell bad. Little natural color there. I like that. And it's drying, which tells me it's matte, I guess is what they say when that happens. When it dries down. Yeah, that's dry. Wow. Alrighty then. And last but not least, we have by Rasha B Cosmetics. It's called 'Tis the Season eyeshadow palette. I have another one of her palettes, and I really like it. I'm going to have to rip the bubble wrap to get it out of here. I like to keep my palettes in the bubble wrap if and when they come in them, just to help keep it safe. I love the packaging. That is shiny. And this retails for $28. See, even her palettes are nicely priced. When you open her pull her out of the sleeve, it's nice and shiny, feels nice. Very pretty. 'Tis the season. Let's see what she looks like. Because I didn't peek this time. So I wasn't sure of everything that was coming in this box. I knew about the lip liners. Oh, wow. She's pretty. Comes with the paper. Has a nice mirror. I love those Christmas colors. I see it there. We got some reds. We got the green. We got the golds. Very, very seasonal there. For the holiday season, definitely. Wow. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mats. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers. I was going to say shiny. And they don't stink. I was trying to see if there was names of the colors, but I can't see. No names of colors, which is fine. And because I'm definitely going to keep this palette, because it's her palette, and I like the other one, I'm going to swatch a couple shadows for you. I think I'll use, do like that. Okay. I watched another, I keep doing here and it's hard for me to turn. So I was told, wasn't told, but I seen some people doing them on this side, so I can hold it up and do like this. Excuse my cut there, my cut there. When I'm cleaning ovens and stuff, I scratch and cut myself up. Sorry about that. So, let's see. Let's go with that matte, and that matte. I don't know the colors, but there's that one. There's that one. And there's that one. There's a couple of the mattes. I got hair on this arm. I guess that wasn't the best way. Let's see how the shimmers do. I can tell this will be a good palette, but one that, what do they say, buildable. Like, you know, you start as light and you just add more, it's buildable, and you get the color payoff that you're looking for. I want to try this shimmer, and let's try this greenish shimmer. It looks like it's got a different color in with the green, but that could be the way the foil packaging is shining off on it. Hold my bracelet and we'll go here. That's that green. That's that. Ooh, wow. Okay, that's nice. I like that. Some swipe on really, really good, and the other ones are going to be buildable, but that's that green. This is like the burgundy, brownish looking one. And this one is the reddish. I'm not good with the colors, but these are the shimmer shinies. These are some of the mattes. So definitely buildable, and I'm going to have to wash that off. I just got water on a paper towel. I probably should have put a little soap on it. But I can see that this will be a nice palette. Just a buildable palette. I like the colors. I'm a browns girl. I love that. I am not a big green person. Green and blues, I feel don't look good on me, but that's just me. And maybe one day I'll try them. I do like that green because it just looks like a green brownish to me, but that could just be my glasses because it's late and I'm tired. But at any rate, that's the palette. That lipstick dried down really, really good, like, and fast. I'm very excited about that. Spoiled lips. Love that. Let me break out my handy dandy calculator here. And let's see here. Come on, come on, come on. My phone is running so slow. It never fails. As soon as you pay your phone off, that's when it starts acting up. I believe they push a button or something to make that happen so that you have to go purchase another. They know what they're doing. So, my box totals $102. So, the palette, $28. The liner, lipstick liner set, $19. The J-Cat Beauty little palette, where did I put her? Right here. $5. Well, $4.99. I just rounded up to $5. This lip set, which I'm liking it. I like it. I don't feel like I have anything on my lips. $25. And these makeup sponges, or whatever they're, blenders, sorry, $25. To me, this is a great month. I'm very happy with what I got for my $25 bucks. Say $25. For $25 I got all this. And I get to try some new lip liners and one of her eyeshadow palettes. And I'm excited. The lip liners are not matte or whatever they call that. Because they did not dry down. They're still, see, I can do like that. Which is fine. They don't have to be matte or waterproof or whatever. I don't know. I don't know if they even make lip liners that are like budge proof or smudge proof or whatever. I don't know. But at any rate, they are very creamy and I'm excited to try them. So, sorry for the long video. That was my December Slay Glam. And it's a subscription that from the first time I started getting it, I've liked it. I enjoy it. And I think she is getting her niche. And it just continues to get better. And I am excited for the new year to see how much better it gets. And being a part of something when it starts out and watching it grow is something that I'm really enjoying. Because I truly feel like I'm part of that growth. And I get to try some great products in the meantime. If you made it this far in the video, and even if you just watched a little bit, thank you so much. I appreciate any and all support. This has been fun, and I hope to continue to be able to do it and get better as I go. Any feedback, any kind of constructive criticism, and if I'm fucking up, just tell me. That's just the bottom line. And if you think there's something I can do that will make it better, please let me know. I will not get offended. I learn something every day. I am not too proud to admit I don't know everything. I don't. When I'm wrong, I admit I'm wrong, and I try to fix it. That's just the person I am. So at any rate, thank you for watching. Have a great day.